What's up, fam? Today we're going to be doing some buffalo wings, starting with my garlic honey ginger Asian zing, as well as our garlic cheesy palm. I'm Mike G. This is Flavor Foodie. Let's get started on this finger licking good. So these are my ingredients. I'm going to be using some granulated garlic, also some paprika, some powdered ginger, along with a little bit of salt and some Creole seasoning. And also going to use, for those Asian zings, I'm using a little bit of cinnamon because the cinnamon is a part of that dish as well. And that includes a little bit of black pepper, which is a half a teaspoon of black pepper. So these are my wings right here. As you notice that they're dried out. Yes, because wings' worst nightmare when cooking them is water. I washed the wings very well, then I dried them out in the refrigerator uncovered. This way they'll get a more tighter skin and it will have no moisture inside. So these are, again, the ingredients I'll be using. And again, I will leave all the measurements down in the description box for you. I hope you're having a wonderful and great day today. I hope you're blessed by the best and too blessed to be stressed. And if you enjoyed buffalo wings, you know, and I know, the traditional buffalo wing with this hot sauce and the butter. But today I could do that, but today we're not going to do that. Today we're going to make the Asian zing with the garlic honey ginger along with, and this is going to be crispy too, by the way, sticky and crispy, very delicious. We're going to do a two-part cook. We're going to cook them, we're going to fry up the wings, and we're also going to put them under the broiler so that we can get a little bit more tighter skin along with that stickiness on there, that honey and that ginger along with the garlic as well. When I get finished with this, I'm going to be adding all of those other ingredients that are part of the honey, the chili sauce, along with the ginger, the fresh garlic. All of that will be mixed together in that sauce. This will be 1 tablespoon of soy sauce along with this dish. And I'll use a half a cup of the cornstarch to help coat this. Now I'm going to use a half a cup. I don't have to use a half a cup, but I want to make it a little bit more crispier because of all of the ingredients that we're going to put on it. So it'll have a good crunch to it, and that stickiness will seal in all of those great flavors that we add to this dish. So we'll mix this all up together. And it'll look a little pasty, and that's what I'm looking for, that little bit of pastiness on the chicken. That's that extra crispy because we're not using any flour with this. We're just using the cornstarch as a flouring or a covering for our chicken to get a more crispier covering. So we'll let these sit on the rack here. So we're ready to fry. Let's put these in the fryer and get started. So we'll cook these for a good 10 to 12 minutes, and we'll take them out and be nice golden brown. And pretty much golden brown, just the way we want them to be. Nice and crispy, as you can see. Now I'm cooking these in my Dutch pot here. Again, along with the chili sauce and honey that we're going to be putting on this, and that fresh garlic that's in that mix. So we're going to use some chili peppers, crushed chili peppers. Now I've already put the garlic in. I'm using 1 teaspoon of fresh garlic and 1/2 teaspoon of fresh ginger. It's already been chopped up. It's already in the sauce. So we'll put these in this bowl right here. Here we go. Now I meant to put some paper towel down, y'all, so don't hold me to it, but it all worked out because they're going right in the oven. They'll dry out really good. That extra crisp on there will carry out that delicious garlic and ginger, just like we would like it to. It looks good. You can actually eat these just the way they are right now. I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers, along with those who view all the ingredients and recipes that we do here on Flava Foodie. And I'm so grateful for your comments, along with your viewing the site as well. I'm gonna flip these around and get them nice and coated, and then we'll put them in the oven. We'll make something very delicious out of them. Finger looking good, and dip a little bit of that blue cheese on this, and really, that's a whole new level. It's like fire. Now we're getting ready to do the garlic cheesy parm. This is going to be a dish to remember. These finger licking garlic parms are so good. I mean, the way we're going to do it, we're going to hook it up really good and put that garlic in there and that Parmesan cheese along with that. So I'm going to add a little bit of lemon to that. So that we'll have a little lemon to that garlic parm to give it that lemon pepper taste, along with that cheesy and a little bit of flat parsley mixed with that butter. It's going to be really delicious. Now, I'm using a non-salted butter. I could have used a salted butter that would help the Parmesan cheese come out a little bit more, because I noticed the Parmesan cheese, the grated cheese that I'm using, doesn't have a lot of flavor to it. A little bland, but you know it's cheese. So that's something to consider, you know, when you're making these finger licking good chicken wings. Buffalo style. Garlic parm. I'm Mike G. This is Flava Foodie. Let's get this party started. So I'll pour this all over the wings, and it's a little bit more. It's a little excessive, but I'm going to drain some of this out. But after I put the Parmesan cheese on it, we'll blend these up together, kind of like get them coated really good. It's looking good, looking nice and cheesy. Absolutely. Now I like to let these sit a little bit. Garlic honey ginger Asian zing, along with our garlic cheesy parm. These are going to be very delicious. They're finger licking good. I'm telling you, this stuff can be so addictive. You got to be very careful how many you eat. I made 10 and 10 of each one of them, 2 pounds of each. Now I like to let these sit a little bit. There we go. So they're well coated. Our garlic cheesy parm are well coated. A little bit of lemon on there, you'll taste that as well. I'll put that down in the description box. You don't have to put any lemon on there. I wanted to give it a little bit of twang to it, so I put the lemon there as a little bit of twang, but it's not much. You have that peppery taste, you have cheese along with that nice buttery taste to it. It's very delicious. I'm gonna add a little bit more butter here, because you know how that is. We like that butter taste. So we're gonna go all the way out and splurge a little bit just for this time. Now don't that look double delicious, twice as nice, finger licking good. We have our garlic honey ginger Asian zing, our style, along with our garlic cheesy parm. This is a dish of one of a kind. You can enjoy this dish with some nice blue cheese, a couple sticks of celery, and I mean, you just like are indulging. I can tell you that much. It's really tasty with a nice cup of tea, cold iced tea. You could get down with this thing. This thing is popping, on fire, y'all. So it looks really good. It tastes good. So we're going to give this a try in just a second. I just want to show you what it all looks like, and it's beautifully tasty and delicious. I mean, the garlic honey ginger Asian zing turned out to be really, really good. I'm very impressed with the garlic cheesy palm, because sometimes I've tasted when I bought them on the outside, they will be, you could taste they were garlic palm, but sometimes the garlic would supersede the cheese. I like a good balance, so you kind of like want to make the garlic a little under the cheese, not so much garlic, but enough to make it pop. You know, you could really taste the garlic along with the cheese to blend it together. And sometimes you'll have to try it a couple times before we get it right. But in this case, you'll taste the garlic and the cheese together mixed as well. Again, so the dishes consist of, for buffalo wings, we did the Asian zing, our style, that consists of garlic, honey, and ginger. And we did also the garlic cheesy palm. And I say cheesy palm because we added a little bit more cheese. And as you can see, how sticky and that honey, that Asian zing comes right off that bone. It's very tasty. It's very good. I just dropped a little bit, but it's all good. It tastes good. It's a yum yum for the tum tum. It's double delicious. Again, I'm Mike G. This is Flavor Foodie, where the food tastes so good you could eat it with your eyes. That's really good. Very delicious. Today we did the buffalo wings, starting with the garlic honey Asian zings, and that's the garlic honey ginger Asian zing, along with the garlic cheesy palm. Again, I'm Mike G. This is Flavor Foodie. Thanks for stopping by, and I do appreciate all of those who shared alike with others. Don't forget, you been flavorized. Again, fam, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and hit that bell. Watch the video. Check out some more of my recipes. Until next time, much love. God bless you and your family. Bye now.